Laptops are no longer the only option for serious work, and for many people, they're quickly becoming unnecessary. Traditional laptops are often bulky, generate heat, make fan noise, and slow down over time. In contrast, modern tablets have evolved into powerful, efficient, and highly portable devices that can handle productivity, entertainment, and even professional workloads with ease. They turn on instantly, last longer on battery, and offer a smoother overall experience. In this video, we're looking at 7 powerful tablets that can completely replace your laptop, ranging from affordable options to premium devices that outperform many computers. Number 7. Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. The Lenovo Tab P12 Pro is an excellent productivity tablet that offers a premium experience at a competitive price. It comes with a 12.6-inch AMOLED display, 2.8K resolution, and Dolby Vision, providing sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and excellent clarity for both work and entertainment. This makes it ideal for editing documents, browsing, video conferencing, and media consumption. The tablet delivers smooth performance for multitasking, allowing you to run multiple apps, open browser tabs, and stream content without slowdowns. It operates silently without overheating, which is a major advantage over many laptops. The battery easily lasts a full day, and when paired with the keyboard folio and precision pen, it becomes a complete productivity device, suitable for students, professionals, and everyday users. Number 6. Microsoft Surface Go 4. The Microsoft Surface Go 4 is a powerful option for users who want a true laptop replacement with full desktop software support. It runs Windows 11, which means you can use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other desktop applications without limitations. This makes it especially useful for office work and productivity tasks. It features a 10.5-inch PixelSense touchscreen that is sharp and responsive. Powered by an efficient Intel processor with fast SSD storage, it delivers reliable performance for everyday workloads. When combined with the type cover keyboard and Surface Pen, it provides a complete laptop-like experience in a much smaller and lighter form factor. Number 5. The OnePlus Pad 2. The OnePlus Pad 2 stands out as one of the best value tablets currently available. It features a 12.1-inch display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling, multitasking, and animations extremely smooth. The display is bright, sharp, and comfortable for extended use. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, this tablet delivers excellent performance that rivals many laptops. It handles multitasking, productivity apps, and entertainment effortlessly. The battery life is impressive, easily lasting more than a full workday. With its keyboard and stylus support, it becomes a powerful and affordable laptop alternative. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is designed for maximum productivity. It features a massive 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for multitasking, creative work, and media consumption. Its powerful processor and generous RAM ensure smooth performance even during demanding tasks. One of its biggest advantages is Samsung DeX mode, which transforms the tablet into a desktop-style interface. This allows you to use multiple windows, connect accessories, and work like a traditional computer. Number 3. Apple iPad Air with M3 chip. The iPad Air with M3 chip delivers exceptional performance in a thin and lightweight design. The M3 processor provides laptop-level power, making it perfect for multitasking, editing, and productivity. Apps open instantly, and everything runs smoothly without lag. The display is sharp and color-accurate, making it great for work and entertainment. With support for the Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil, it becomes a highly capable productivity device. It is an excellent choice for users who want premium performance at a lower price. Number 2. Apple iPad Pro with M4 chip. The iPad Pro with M4 chip is one of the most powerful tablets ever created. It offers incredible speed and performance, allowing you to handle video editing, graphic design, and multitasking with ease. The display is extremely bright, sharp, and smooth, providing an outstanding visual experience. When paired with the Magic Keyboard, it functions very similarly to a laptop, while remaining thinner, lighter, and more portable. The battery life is excellent, making it a top choice for professionals and creators. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Plus is one of the best laptop replacement tablets available. It features a large AMOLED display, smooth refresh rate, and powerful performance, making it ideal for productivity, multitasking, and entertainment. Samsung DeX mode allows the tablet to function like a desktop computer, complete with windowed apps and full multitasking capabilities. The included S Pen adds extra functionality for note-taking and creative work. With its excellent battery life, premium build quality, and versatile features, this tablet can completely replace a traditional laptop. Conclusion. Modern tablets have become powerful enough to replace laptops for most users. They are lighter, quieter, more portable, and still deliver excellent performance. Whether you need a device for work, school, or entertainment, these tablets offer powerful alternatives to traditional computers. Choosing the right one depends on your needs and budget, but any of these tablets can serve as a reliable laptop replacement.